threw away your love letters. I thought it'd make me feel better. I threw away your love letters. I thought it'd make me feel better.
What's up, Fabulous? It's Artabulous, and today is the last day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the vlogs that I've done so far. I only missed like one day, but 2 days, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. But it was really hard. This is my first time, and I mean, I can say I had fun doing it. It was a nice experience. So today for Christmas, we are going to be giving my cat these gifts right here. We've never bought her gifts before, so we're going to be seeing what her reaction is today. Merry Christmas to you all too, if you're watching this on Christmas. Okay, so let's show her first gift. Probably going to be underwhelmed.
She loves it.
Oh my goodness.
You like your gift, Anna?
She got uninterested that quick.
You like it? Oh, wow. She likes it. You like it? Get it, Anna. Get it. Get it.
Guys, this is what she does. She's just there. But I mean, if she's looking at it, that shows that she's interested.
Okay, give her the next one. I don't know about this one. We'll see.
Oh my god.
Oh. Do you like it or what? Oh my gosh.
What she's looking at.
She is so boring. Like, do you like it or what, Autumn?
Do you like it? Oh my god.
Autumn. Oh my god. Like, do you like it? Now she's trying to get cheek rubs on the camera.
Can you post it? Guys, she's like old, so I mean, I don't know what else she's gonna do.
You're just old.
She's old and boring.
You're just old, Autumn. You're old.
We're gonna get the next gift.
Oh god, this one's gonna be hilarious. Oh my
You guys
god.
can see it. Yeah, not her yet.
You all, she got an outfit.
So we're gonna try to put it on.
We're gonna try to put it on her.
Let her sniff it, maybe.
Oh my god, you're trying to get cheek
Oh my
rubs.
god.
Oh god, now she's
Oh my
eating.
goodness. Apparently all this made her hungry.
It was just so much hard work that she built up an appetite.
Oh my goodness.
Hurry up, Autumn. You're holding up the video. Autumn. Come get your gifts.
Okay.
I think you might have to pick. Oh, you don't have to pick her up. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Oh my god.
Oh god. Is she too fat?
Oh my gosh, she's too fat.
Wait, let me try the bottom first.
Autumn, you're too fat.
This is supposed to be one size fit all.
Oh.
And she, for some reason.
Oh, so cute. Come on, Autumn, stop. Stop. Stop it. Autumn, get your outfit on. Get your outfit on. You have to do it quick. Autumn, get your outfit on. Get your outfit on.
It's like so hard not to.
There you go. All right. Oh my god, Autumn, you're so cute.
Oh my god.
It's not on. Autumn, come over here.
Okay, guys, she's too fat for the top part.
All right, little Santa. Hey, little Santa. Oh my goodness. She's trying to get it off. She's trying to get it off. Come on, Autumn. There's no treats. Merry Christmas, Autumn. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You look so cute. She's too fat for that part, but that's fine. It's on. It's on.
Oh, does this go like a collar?
Oh, okay. Oh, you weren't putting it on right.
If she lets me.
You have to do it quick.
Okay. I've not heard it here, guys. She should be an extra.
There's the finished Autumn. Let me see your
Come on.
Oh my God, you're so cute. Oh, Santa. Little Santa Autumn. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my God, Autumn, you're so cute. Oh, so cute.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys liked Vlogmas overall. It was really fun. And don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'll be going back to posting every Sunday and Wednesday. Yeah, every Sunday and Wednesday, so make sure you're there for that. And I hope you guys like this video. Peace.